Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Chevy and GMC's 1997 C1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturers' safety precautions and specifications. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Clear any lines or brackets blocking the work area. Unbolt the transmission from the crossmember. Save this hardware for reinstallation. Unbolt the OEM crossmember with an 18mm socket and 18mm wrench. Then remove the crossmember. Step 3. At the points where the crossmember contacts the rail, grind the frame to bare metal. Spray this area with rust protectant. Step 4. Prior to installation, paint the crossmember with rust protectant. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 5. Lift and hold the replacement crossmember in position. Use the bolt holes for proper alignment. The center of the crossmember has a rectangular-shaped flat area for the transmission to rest on. The smaller side of this rectangle should be pointed towards the front of the truck. Use the included M12 hardware, a 16mm socket, and an 18mm socket for installation. Install and partially tighten all hardware. Do not fully tighten until everything is in place and alignment is confirmed. Paint the hardware with rust protectant. Step 6. Reinstall the transmission to the crossmember. Reinstall any lines or brackets moved in Step 3.